You won't believe what this simple straw can do.
Are you ever in an important meeting in front of pretty important people, and all of a sudden, you get the hiccups? Hiccups can be really embarrassing, sometimes even painful.
Say hello to Hickway, the most effective way that you can stop your hiccups. Amanda, just take this, give me that glass of water, just put, and drink through it. That easy.
Wow, my hiccups are gone.
How that happens.
You know, hiccups are a repeated cycle of spasms in the diaphragm, and drinking through the Hickway generates enough pressure that can stop those spasms in the diaphragm.
Amazing.
How does